How to use reference image in MidJourney. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to simply click on this plus icon and go for the upload a file and select any picture you want to go with. So in my case this is the picture and simply hit enter. So now I have to find the picture. Right now it's loading here, so I will simply click on that, right click and click on copy link. Now go for message and type bar and imagine. So once you have typed this, simply paste your link, space bar, and type whatever you want to do with that picture. So let's say cyberpunk. And as you can see, my internet is slow, but it will send the command and my result will be here soon. So yeah, that's how basically you will use reference images in MidJourney.